Hello friends, in this video, we will see how to write a C program that collects the name and age of a person and then displays these values collected. This will enable us to see some concepts in C, like how to use the scanf and printf functions for taking and displaying values in and to the console respectively. So, without wasting any more time, let's see the example. I will start by declaring a variable that will store the name, which will be of type char, but it will be an array of characters since the name is going to be a sequence of characters, in other words a string. So here I have declared a variable called name in which we will store the name of the user, and it's of size 25, meaning that the name the user inputs should be less than or equal to 25 characters. I will now declare an integer to store the age of the user. Now, I will print a message asking the user to enter his or her name. In order for the user to enter his or her name, I will use the scanf function to prompt the user to enter a value. I will do this by writing scanf, then open a set of parentheses, within the parentheses a set of double quotes, then I will write the format specifier of the variable type which I am expecting to take as input. In this example, we are taking the name input which is a string, so I will put %s format specifier. And then after closing the double quotes, I will specify the name of the variable in which I want to store this user input. And don't forget the semicolon at the end. Now I will write another message asking the user to enter his or her age. I will use the scanf function again to store the value entered by the user in the age variable. The ampersand symbol which I have put in front of the variable name age enables us to access the memory address of the age variable and then store the user's value in it. This ampersand symbol is optional when taking char or string input. That is why I did not use it when I was taking the name input, but for numeric values it is obligatory. I am now going to print the name and the age entered by the user. Now when I run the program, I will give a name. The name I will give will be Elon. Then press enter to go to the next part. Then I will give my age as 99 and press enter again. And now we see it is displayed name equals Elon and age equals 99. Let me now modify this program to take the name and the age inputs at the same time. I will modify the printf message to say enter your name and age respectively. Now I will write scanf. This time around, I am going to be taking two inputs in the same scanf function. So I will write the format specifier for the first input, then give a space, and then write the format specifier for the second input. I could continue adding more spaces and more format specifiers for as many inputs I want to take, but for this example we are taking only two inputs. That is why I will put only two format specifiers. Now after my double quotes, I will add a comma and I will say ampersand name, comma, ampersand age. This time around, I have decided to use the ampersand in front of the name variable for you to see that it will work just as well. Now I will run this, write a name, then press enter or tab. Then I will write the age and press enter again. We see that this works just as well.